Today's walkthrough video is at 1263 Rainer Drive here in Burleson, Texas. Stay tuned. Okay, this house is absolutely fantastic. We are located in Burleson, Texas. Look at this outstanding oversized porch with this beautiful wood and iron front door. Come on in this house. I can't wait to show it to you. Beautiful entrance, gorgeous hardwoods throughout this home. We walk in, we see this fantastic living room with this gorgeous fireplace with stone and tile work. It is a gas fireplace. Then we've got a dry bar over here. Here is the kitchen. This house is 3,360 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. It's got a full 3-car garage. It was completed in 2017. I'm doing an open house today, so my stuff is on the counter, but you've got a double oven, you've got the microwave, you've got that fantastic gas cooktop. Here in the heart of the home is this beautiful island with bar seating. Then you've got a gigantic dining room over here, clearly enough room for 8 chairs. Let's go over here to the living room, passing these gorgeous plantation shutters. I can't wait to show you the outside of this home. Beautiful master with plenty of room for a king-size bed. There's a sitting area over here. The bathroom is ensuite. To the left, we have the shower. We've got his and hers, sinks, place to put your makeup on. The water closet is over there. We've got a couple of different closets, hers. His, I love this feature where you can walk through the closet and go right into the laundry room, full-size washer and dryer. Now we are back here to the foyer, front door, living area over here. Coming down this hallway, we have the office. It's got French doors, beautiful plantation shutters. Here is bedroom number 2. Thing I love about this bedroom is that it's got this full bath right here, which could be perfect if you had to have an elderly person that lived with you. Now let's go upstairs. Beautiful bonus room. Absolutely gorgeous up here. We have additional bedrooms up here. This is bedroom number 3. They all have large closets, full bath. Bedroom number 4, also with a large closet. And then on this side of the home, we've got this outstanding movie theater. Projector, surround, and screen, all convey. Let me take you downstairs so you can see outside. Beautiful patio out here with this inviting swimming pool. This is a chlorine pool. It's got a pebble tech finish on it. I love this aggregate, wonderful pergola, hot tub, fire pit. The seller has also purchased 25 feet of extra space behind that fence to be a buffer between them and the unimproved property behind them. There is a gigantic backyard over here. This house has not just 2, but 3 full car garages. The 2-car garage is awesome, and then it's got an additional 3rd-car garage, which is big enough for your full-size truck with your ranch hand bumper. If you would like to see a features list about this house, please reach out to me. I'm excited to show it to you. Thanks. Make it a great day.